I need to keep my butt out of hotel rooms.
Then get up, get dressed.
Guys, look. I am going around my house today fixing things that I have made a mistake with. And I'm trying to catch up with fixing stuff around my house. Put it like that, you know. And a lot of the damage I caused myself. Hold on. Now, guys, a lot of the damage I have caused myself trying to decorate and everything, and that's because I be going to these hotel stays with my husband, and it's just so beautiful and things in those rooms. So I'll be trying to mimic what I see, you know, in the hotel rooms, right? Right. So I have gotten close, but it seemed like I have only gotten like success with one room. And I know I'm capable of doing it because I don't touch that room anymore, and I'm satisfied every time I go in there. And believe it or not, guys, that is my bathroom. My husband gonna have a fit when he see this video. Now, guys, up there, look up there. You see those little white spots? Those are mistakes that I have made, you know, hanging pictures. I know better than to be putting those holes in my wall trying to hang some pictures. Sometimes I use those command strips, but one time when I used those command strips, I ended up having to paint a whole ceiling because when you pull the little sticky part from underneath it, it took off all my paint. So I had to spackle that and try to fix that. You know, I don't want my husband to see, you know, all them holes and stuff in the wall, because he's the main one to be like, why are you putting all them holes in the wall? But that's part of decorating. So guys, y'all know I be in my bathroom a lot, right? I be in my bathroom a lot. This is my bathroom. I film for you guys in here and everything. And I like it. This is how I know that I can get decorating down right. Because I don't mess with my bathroom. I just clean my bathroom, right? Now, I also know, guys, that I like change. All right, guys, so because I know I like change, I have gotten way better with the idea of that. Because a lot of things, you know, I have made it to where I can just switch it out and put it back. I have told y'all this before, like with a pillow. This is not the original pillow. This is a pillow cover. So instead of buying another pillow, you know, I bought this pillow cover from Team U, and it goes with my pillows, you know, and my decoration and my decor in my front room. So I just covered the original pillow that came with this couch set, and when I'm ready to switch colors out, I can switch colors out. But then, guys, you know, you got to watch out for being cheap, and you got to watch out for some of these hacks. So I came up with an idea. I want to show y'all my stuff. I came up with an idea that before I got deep down into that idea, you know, I wanted to try with some cheap stuff. And man, I'm paying the price. Let me show y'all what I did. I'm in my kitchen and I'm at the window, right? I know it's terrible filming, guys, but hey, we ain't talking about that. We ain't worried about that. This is my kitchen window, and I thought it would be pretty to have butterflies on my kitchen window and have the grass greenery going across here. And also, you know, I thought it would be nice to have some, you know, some wallpaper, you know, some colorful or flower wallpaper on my ledge here. Oh, how wrong I was. This looks so bad. Guys, this crap looks so bad. I haven't had a chance to take it off. So now I want to reframe my window. I want to go around the edges and reframe my window. I want to take this ugly shade down and hang up my curtain. And I am trying my best to get these little sticky balls off of my ledge here. that I put that cheap wallpaper from the Dollar Tree on there. So right now, instead of just decorating, I have to scrape all of this adhesive and paper up. You know, and it's time consuming. And I gotta get all these little birds off my window. So the other thing that I have done is that I have scraped all the paint up off of my handrail here, because my son, it was white, and my son kept coming down the stairs, you know, holding on to the handrail, but over time it would get dirty. And no matter how much I would wipe it off and clean it, as I was doing that, I was wiping off the paint, and I would just go over it and repaint it. But after a minute, the paint just got too thick looking, and it's just too much paint was on there. So I went on and scraped it off. So I have to paint this today too. You know, I have to paint this one, and I have to paint the one right there. And that is not all, you know, it's just amongst a whole bunch of little holes I done put into the wall with hanging up pictures, then changing my mind, sticking stuff to different surfaces, buying too much stuff. Guys, I got so much stuff that I have bought that I don't even think that I am going to use, trying to see if I want to, you know, use it in my decorating. And this stuff has to stop. I'm doing more messing up than I am cleaning up. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to decorate. I'm doing more damage than good. So I really have to make up my mind on what I want to do, just like I made up my mind with my bathroom, and I absolutely love my bathroom. So I'm going to have to make some decisions, get the feeling from it, and then, you know, go from there. So I'm about to try to get a lot of this crap off my ledge and my window. Then we're going to move on from there. And then, guys, I have a bad habit of overbuying. Have you ever went to the store? I have a bad habit of overbuying, guys. I know y'all crooked, but I think this stands. But have you ever went to the store and you seen something and you was like, I don't know if it's going to be there when I go back, because that has happened to me too. And I buy this stuff to see if it's going to go in my home, and then I lose the receipt or something like that. Now I'm stuck with it. So right now, you know, I got the adhesive off the ledge, but now I have to sand it down because a lot of my paint is gone. Not a lot of it, but enough. So I have to correct the paint, and then I have to paint over my ledge. Right here on my ledge and a couple of other places, the paint is gone, so I'm gonna have to fix that before I paint. So basically, guys, I'm making some, you know, tough decisions today, and I am fixing up what I tore up and what I am trying to decorate, make some decisions and make them final. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try my best to just make those decisions final, or even if I do switch it up, it's not gonna be a dramatic switch up or anything that's going to cost me money, because like I said before, I love change, and I am really going to do more footwork in learning what I need to do before touching anything. But I am very adamant about making my house look back new, decorating it, and just getting that feeling like I get like when me and my husband go to these hotel stays, and When you walk up in there, the scenery is beautiful, the room is beautiful, and things of that nature. And like I said, I have achieved that comfortable feeling, but I am still working on other rooms. And also, like I said, I have to incorporate change, because I like to change my house basically every other week. Every other week, I like to switch stuff around. So I got some work to do. And I got to hang up a set. Let me show you. All right, guys. So in Walmart, they have like a clearance section in there. They just have a clearance section. And I was way out. Y'all know I go way out. Y'all know I be going way out and be having to use GPS and stuff. Well, look, my son needed a rack in his bathroom for his towels and everything. And it came with a toilet tissue holder, a ring towel rack, and a long towel rack. So, and it was only, guys, look at that. All that was for $15.50. So, I have to hang this today, so he'll have somewhere to hang all of his towels and things like that. Plus, I have to do some spackling and stuff in his bathroom. I have to do a lot of spackling and stuff in his bathroom. And, I got to hang this. So, I got to take some stuff back to the stores before I lose the receipt. It's just a lot of things I have to do. And when I'm home by myself, guys, and I be having things to do, yeah, I get some stuff done. But I also be partying, too. I be partying up in here, boy. Man, I got my little food in there. I have my little music going through the house and stuff, and I'm just jamming. And the house is mad, and I'm just going through here, me and my little puppy, me and my little spoiled puppy. Y'all know my little spoiled puppy. Man, he's something else. He is something else. I got to give him a bath and, and groom him. But that's my baby. Ooh, my puppy is my baby. Okay, guys, so what I am going to do, I got some lightweight spackle here. And for my ledge, I am going to bring all the paint up to the same level where, the paint is gone. And then I am going around the house with the same spackle, and I am filling in little holes that I have put in the wall with small nails to hang pictures and things like that. And yeah, then I got to paint that. I got to go to the store. I got to return something. I got some stuff to do. And then I was thinking about extending my curtains from wall to wall like I had it before. But I'm doing the main things right now. So I got a lot to do up in here, guys. I got a lot to do. Yeah, but I got to get all that stuff off my window. I got to get all them birds and stuff off that window. I don't like it. It looks cheap. Guys, I went and got a blow dryer, and I'm warming up the birds, and they're peeling off easier. This heat is going to make them peel off easy. I wish I would have thought about that at first. See, that's what I mean, guys. If I just slow down and think, I wouldn't cause myself so much, I wouldn't have so much more hard work to do. Now after peeling off 50 birds, some say go get the blow dryer, and it's coming off easier. to turn off the lights so y'all could really see, but I got all the birds off the window. I got all of that, you know, cheap paper off the ledge. I'm waiting for my ledge down here, you know, to dry, because I'm going to do a light sanding because I put some spackle on that. So I'm going to do a light sanding, and then at least I have corrected that. And then after everything dry and I sand, I am going to paint it, you know, the ledge. I don't see nothing. So, on to the next destination. All right, well, I took some things back that I couldn't use before I lost the receipt. And then I looked around, but I didn't see anything. So now I am on my way to get some, you know, napkins and things. And I'm still in the mood to bake a cake, so I might end up getting something to bake a cake with. But I finished the window, and I am going to try to paint those stairwells. Right, I done made it back home. I'm about to make me something to eat. I went and stopped and got me a burrito, a steak burrito. So look at that burrito. Look at that. I had to warm that sucker up. I'm not going to be able to eat all of it, but ooh, I can't even pick it up. It's going to fall apart. A steak burrito. So I'm sitting down here enjoying my lunch, dinner. And if I feel like doing some more work, I'll do some more work. But if not, I am going to start taking my time, because where's the fire? That's how I be messing up. We want to see the end result so bad that you go fast, skip steps and stuff. Nope, I'm going to take my time, and I'm really going to think about how I want it to be. I'm going from there. All right, guys, thanks for spending this time with me. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell and the thumbs up button. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Be looking out for how it turns out. All right, guys.
Then get up, get dressed before